This short video is going to give you a quick tour of the viewing area around the bridge.
Welcome to Traveling with a Chair. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ken Edmonds, and on this channel I help people travel more, spend less, and I provide information that's helpful to those that travel with a disability.
This is on deck 11 all the way forward, and there's quite a bit of memorabilia, let's say, on the wall. It has all the current officers, it shows you what the ranks are, but every time a ship visits a port for the first time, they get some kind of memorabilia to go with it. So we see all of that displayed in here. And this is not a place that is easy to find. You've got to go up the correct side, which in this case would be the port side, all the way forward. It looks like you're going just down toward rooms, but you see all this interesting memorabilia. In just a second, we're actually going to get a chance to watch the crew at work. So I think this is a cool place. Today was kind of a gray, cloudy day, but you can see the officers at work there, the displays, the consoles, etc.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy, please go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe buttons. We've got a lot more videos coming up. You're really going to enjoy them. We'll see you next time.